जय हिंद, जय भारत। मैं फातिमा निखत आपका स्वागत करती हूं BTS न्यूज़ चैनल में। हर पल की खबर आप तक। आइए देखते हैं आज के समाचार।
5663 ट्राली ఆటో తీయాలి సార్. VAP అలర్టింగ్ పాయింట్ నుంచి తీయాలి. పార్కింగ్ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళిపోవాలి.
నువ్వు కిందికి ఉన్నా మొక్కల పైన ఉండు.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఐఎమ్ రియల్లీ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు విజిట్ ది అగ్రికల్చర్ మార్కెట్, బోవెన్పల్లి అగ్రికల్చర్ మార్కెట్, and even though they are doing exemplary service, it came to limelight when our Honorable Prime Minister mentioned about this in the Man Ki Baat program. And when he highlighted this, definitely it's a proud moment for Telangana, and the plant is unique of its kind, and it is the largest in the state as well as in the southern states. Altogether only 12 plants are there in the country, and we are very happy that it is installed in this agriculture market, and it is a role model unit because waste is converted into wealth, waste is converted into energy. Once waste is others resource. Here biogas is produced, electricity is produced, even manure is produced. So it is, the waste is used in three types. And I should congratulate the Secretary to the government, B.N. Janardhan Reddy Garu IAS, for supporting and maintaining this unit, and my respects to Director of Marketing Madam Srimati Lakshmi Bai, and my appreciation to the IICT Director Dr. Chandrasekhar and IICT scientist Dr. Ganga Agni, and my appreciation to the Aguja Engineering Service. They made a very good presentation to highlight the process of the waste management, and I'm really very happy. And then I have requested them, because this is a bigger unit. How many tons of waste?
10 tons.
10 tons of waste per day. So we asked whether smaller units can be installed so that the waste from smaller areas like villages, households, offices, organizations, so whether it could be used. So I requested to install a small unit in the premises of Raj Bhavan, because already we have Goshala, and as they told, even 150 kg of waste can be converted into energy. So I have requested them to visit Raj Bhavan and to create a small unit, so it may be a role model to other areas, because we are having quarters when it can be used in other areas where the waste management can be made successfully, and biogas and the manure as well as the energy can be used by the locality, their locality itself. So I congratulate the organizers for this, and they are maintaining it very properly. And I thank our Honorable Prime Minister, because the central government is giving aid for such units, and I want this plant to be installed in other markets, other states where huge amount of vegetable waste are thrown away as garbages. Thank you so much.
What you did here is the 100% introduced. Break the monotony.
इसी के साथ ये समाचार समाप्त होते हैं। दुआ और उम्मीद यही कि आप जहाँ कहीं भी हो खैर आफियत से हों, आपकी हर सू खुशगवार हो और हर खुशगवार सू का अंजाम बखैर हो। इन्हीं दुआओं के साथ मुझे और मेरी टीम को दीजिए इजाज़त। देखते रहिए BTS न्यूज़। लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। जय हिंद।